12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Okay, how about sa 3?
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 14, 21, 24, 27, 30.
How about sa 4?
4, 8, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40.
How about sa 5?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
How about sa 6?
6, 12, 18, 20,
24.
24. 6, 12, 18, 24, 32,
36?
36.
30, 36. Okay, isa pa.
3, 6,
6.
6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 36, 42, 36, 42, 42, 14, 49, 48, 48, 48, 55,
54.
54, 60.
Isa pa.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 40, 36, 42, 48, 48, 56,
Or
54, 60.
isa pa.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 32,
6.
36, 6, 12, 18, 20, 24,
Kulang 20.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 6.
Oh, about 7.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 35, 42, 49, 49, 56, 63, 70,
56.
56, 70.
63, 70. Isa pa.
7, 12, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70.
How about sa 8?
8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80.
How about sa 9?
9, 18, 27, 36, 36, 42, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.
Okay. How about sa 10?
11, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 81, 100.
18, 19, 100. Okay. Sige. So, balik kuya. Wait lang. Where's the ballpen that you have given to me, man? Try to test out that ballpen, kuya. Try to test it with the gun. Is it working? Or not? Not fully? Okay. Sige, kuya. I want you to go upstairs, kuya. Tapos, ask for a pencil. Tapos, kita mo ang paper natin, oh. It's almost, ingi ko lang, kuya, 2 pieces of paper. Tapos, pencil lang, ha? Or nuts. Okay, go, go, go. Wow. Okay. So for today, kuya, ang task po natin is easy lang. So we will rest muna sa mga fraction, ha? Pero our task is addition and subtraction lang. Basic lang masyado, okay? So for today, kuya, I want you to prove yourself, kuya, ha? Prove yourself. Okay, start tayo. What if meron given na 3,581 plus 298? That's for number 1. For number 2, what if meron tayo 4,59873 plus 74562?
You want me to die?
Next. Hindi, wait, mali lang ito. Okay, 97231 minus 5426. Next. How about number 4? 82135 5 minus 98976. Number 5, 352,187 plus 93578. Okay, that's the first round.
Ano
Okay,
tapos na?
pag ma-solve mo ito, di ba, it's 241. Pag ma-solve mo kuya in 246, finish na tayo. Okay,
Impossible.
Go.
Possible, ay na.
Kaya mo yan?
No, is it impossible?
You make your own yan. Make your writing small lang, very, very big. Add. 9 plus 8.
15.
Mali. 9 plus 8.
15. 9 plus 9, 18. 17.
31 next. Very good. Oh, finish na number 1, number 2.
I'm motivated na. So this part will be so here sa down.
Kung sino yung first mention in here will be at the top. The second one is at the bottom. Sige, go. Ano what? The 7, okay. I want a nice handwriting, ha? Okay.
14. 14. 8, 9, 10, 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Okay. How to read this number muna?
3,879.
How about this one? How to read this number?
50,000, 3,000.
Oops.
50,000, 3,000.
In order for you to read the number kuya, what are you going to do? 1, 2, 3, comma. Okay? So this one, we are going to learn the base value ha? Ones, tens,
Ano naman?
sige daw.
Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000.
100,000. How to read it?
500,000.
Oh, 500.
534,000, 435.
That's how you read it. Okay, number 3. Go, go, go.
I think you're trying to slow me down.
Hindi ba? Oh, bakit plus?
This is possible by it will.
Wait lang kuya. Okay, this one, di ba minus? That's why this is our lesson for today because we are going to make some adjustments kuya ha. Put in mind kuya, if the number at the bottom is greater kuya than the number at the top,
It will borrow 1.
you cannot do it ha. Because matatalo si 1 kuya. He will be defeated by 6. So si 1 will ask help sa kay
Three,
3. O si 3 will become
Ano na?
2. This one, do not put 1 in here, but instead, you have to make that 1. Ha? O, 11 minus 6.
6.
11 minus 6, 6.
4.
4.
6 for 6, 12. No, 6. 6. Ay, 6 for 6, 12. Diba? Then, 11. We're going to 6. 4.
11 minus 6.
7.
11 minus 6.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. I'm correct.
How much? It's not 4.
5.
5.
Oh, same pa.
Hindi, kaya kanina kasi 1 minus 6, 5. Gigawa mo 6 minus 1. So, teka lang, na the same. O, next, 2 minus 2, pwede hindi.
Dili. Ay,
Pwede.
Ay, pwede.
O, 2 minus 2?
0.
0. So, you put 0. Next. 2 minus 4.
2 minus 4, power.
Very good. 12 minus 4.
8.
Correct.
8.
Correct. Next.
4, 5, power. 8.
14. Go. Yeah. 14 minus 5.
9.
Correct.
8.
Oh, how to read that one?
89,805.
Correct. Next, number 4.
How much time I have left?
You have no time left.
Ha?
Di ba kapag 2:46? Sige lang, continue lang.
No, he said 2.
I will give you, I will extend you, 2 minutes.
Bawal. 14, 9. 4, bawal. 2, 14, 14, 7, 7, 2, 9, bawal. 0, 2, 9.
Ah?
Hey,
Di ba nabaro ka? Well, 2 minus 9.
4,
Not 4.
3,
3.
0, 0. 8, 0. Oh,
0 minus 8, bawal?
2.
2. Next.
Next one, bawal. 7, 11, 7, 11. 11. 4, 2, 7.
How to read that number?
700, 2000, 2002,
700?
700, 2000, 700, 2002, huh?
700? 700?
700,
700?
700, 2002.
722?
722, 300,
722?
722, 300,
1,000?
300,
722,000?
307, 322,000,
700?
722,379.
Huwag kang gagamit ng end ha. 722,000 end. Doon mo gagamitin si end in between. Okay. So since you already know subtraction, you proceed balik sa fraction.
Yeah, we said we will have break.
Hindi, kinagets mo naman kaagad. Ibig sabihin, kulang lang yun sa review sa'yo kuya last time. That's why hindi mo siya nakukuha.
I get it, man. 8 plus 8, 16 plus, 7. 7 plus 7, 7 plus 7, 12, 14. Ay, plus 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Pwede. So, 14. 8, 9. 9, 7, 2, 9, 7. 9, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 40. 3. Bawal.
Wait, last man tayo.
Bakit?
Bakit nag-cancel ka lagi? Hindi tayo minus.
Add 1 minute. Add.
Carry?
Yeah. Bilang isa na po. Around 15. 9. 14. 3, 5. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
9 plus 5?
Yeah.
18?
Yeah.
Ang 18?
10, 12, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
It's not 18.
5, 9, 11, 12, 15, 17.
It's not 17.
20?
It's not 20.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
It's not 13.
What is it pala? No.
Teka.
Say 5, 6,
Do not include 5.
14.
14, very good.
I thought it was like 14.
Oh, so read that number. Mali ang paglagay ng kama.
4.
Kulang ka ng isa na kama.
Ayo, wait, I'll like. With the sweet mo kami.
Sige daw. How to properly put a comma? Di ba yung count? 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma.
Ah, that's it.
Ha? Oh, sige, how to read that number?
4,400,000, 4,5,800.
400? 4,000,000?
4,458.
Wala, huwag kang magamit ng N. 4,458,000 N. Doon mo pala sasabihin ang N. 4,458,000 and 475. Isa daw, ka daw.
4,450.
Huwag ka gumamit ng N.
4,450.
Huwag ka gagamit ng N.
4,458 and
458,000 N.
4,458,000 and
Yun.
495.
95 ito, 7.
95.
95. Okay, very good. So this one, proceed tayo balik sa fraction ha, since you understand this one. No. Okay, this one, 7 all over, try natin ng 8 minus 1 all over 3. Oh, it's easy na.
You said tapos na.
Hindi pa. Kaya wala ka man nakaabot sa time. Di ba ang time kanina, it's
You said add 2.
2 minutes. Di ba dapat you will end at 2:50? You finish man at 2:53. Oh, ibig sabihin yung
Add
excess
1
na.
minute na.
Wala akong nagsabi na, isa lang, sabi ko add 2 minutes.
You review.
Sige na, process it na. What's the first thing that you have to look at if the denominator are the same or not? Ay, balik. 8 and 3, are they the same? Hindi. Oh, so, what's the process? You do the butterfly. This one, kuya, oh, ay, you are not working properly. 7 all over 8 minus 1 all over 3, tama? Oh, 8 and 3, they are the same, hindi? Oh, hindi. So, anong gagawin mo? Since they are not the same, you multiply, di ba? I-multiply mo muna ito. See, 8 and 3. Sige daw, 8 times 3.
I don't know.
Ha? 8 times 3.
I don't know.
You can. Go na, 8 times 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 15, 18, 22,
21?
21, 24.
Oh, 24. 8 times 3, that's 24. Next, 7 times 3 or 3 times 7, how much?
Don't know.
Solve it.
Huh?
Sige, 7 times 3 or 3 times 7. Go, kuya.
8, 9, 10, 15, 20, 24, 25, 16, 18. Don't know.
You can.
I don't
7 times 3 or 3 times 7.
7, 14, 21.
Oh, 21. You put minus sign. 8 times 1.
1. 1.
8 times 1, 1.
1.
8 times 1.
1.
8 times 1.
1.
It's 1.
1.
It's not 1.
8.
8. It's 8. Oh, 21 minus 8. If you can solve it for 30 seconds, you can finish na. 21 minus 8.
20, 29.
No, I want a solution.
17.
Solution. Solution na, you are solving pa. Okay, you are solving pa. Solution na. I want a solution.
Time.
Ten.
Wait, wala pa.
Nine.
Wala pa. Hacker. I give up.
Solve na. 21 minus 8. Solution. Okay, nasa 21. Okay. Uy, 1 minus 8, 0? Faster, 15 seconds left.
10 minus 8. 2. 2 minus 1. Bawal. 0. Wala. Here. 2. 22.
22? 21 minus 8, 22. Ang 21, bawasan mo ng 8, dagdag. 21 minus 8, 22? Di ba you supposed to bawas 21? Why it became 22? Di ba this one, 21 minus 8. This one, 1 minus 8 cannot be. So si 11 will borrow to 2, it will become 1. Si 1 magiging 11. 11 minus 8, kuya, how much?
Don't know.
11 minus 8? How much?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3.
3. Very good. 11 minus 6 is 3. Wala man itong number kuya, so you automatically bring down. It should be 13.
No, that's 13 now.
Na 13 ka dyan. Oh, hindi, nag-curve ang 2 mo. Okay, so ibig sabihin kuya, 13 all over 24. We cannot reduce this one ha, 13 and 24. Sige, isa pa.
It's just 1 but tired.
Okay, this one, try natin. 3 all over 5 minus 2 all over 3. I will give you 1 minute to solve.
And then,
We can finish with subtraction.
okay?
We can finish na, if you can do it. 40, 39, 28, 37,
3, 6, 9.
29,
Tapos na.
20,
Ah.
18,
Hey, tapos na.
16. When is your answer? 14, 13, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here.
Okay? Di ba they are not the same? So what's the first step gani? Multiply. 5 times 3, 15. Correct. 3 times 3, that's 9. 5 times 2, 10. Pero minus man tayo. What did you put? Plus.
That's 1. That's 1. That's 1 na, no?
Okay. So ibig sabihin po, it should be minus. That's negative 1 all over.
Yay, tapos
Okay,
na.
hindi. You put 19 in here, oh. Okay. Isa pa. So, okay. Sige ha. So for this task, I will give you 30 seconds. Okay, madali lang ibibigay ng teacher.
Eh.
Okay ha, try natin ito kaya. Dapat yung medyo tikit ka little bit. $30 seconds starts now.
10 times 70, 70. 7 times 7, 7, 40, 41, 48, 35, 35, 42, 49, 49, 49, minus 60, 60, 70, 0, 6 minus 6, 0, 9, 4, 4, 6, 9, bawal.
Baliktad. Dapat 60 ang sa taas, kuya. 60 minus 49. So you can do another round. Okay. No, bawal. Lagi 0 minus 9, bawal. Ha? 0 agad? It will become 10. It will become 5.
1, 5, 4, 1.
1. Oh, so ang answer dapat, negative 11.
I win.
Wala na, kanina pa ang time elapsed. Okay, this one, since this is good for 45 seconds, so i-extend ko ang time from 30, it will become 45 na. Okay, this one, try natin ito kuya. Dapat yung medyo mahirap-hirap a little bit.
Where did the time end?
3 all over 4 minus,
Wait, I have a question. Where did the time end?
the time end. When you write this one, when you write 70, di ba you solve for 11 pa? That's the time end. 45 seconds first time, 45.
4 times 8. 4, 8, 16, 24. 8, 16, 24, 32, 32, 4, 8, 4, 8, 3, 8,
46, 45,
24.
43,
4, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 32.
9, 8, 7,
24, 5, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32.
Okay, 4 times 8, that's 32, correct. Okay, next. 8 times 3, 24, correct. 4 times 2, that's 8. What is this? Plus, minus?
Minus.
Minus. O, 24 minus 8. Ang igawa mo, plus mo, naging 32. 24 minus 8 is 4 minus 8, cannot be. So, si 4 will ask how to 2, it will become 1. Si 4 will become 14. 14 minus 8 daw, kuya.
I give up.
I will give you 8 seconds. 8,
Wala
10,
mo na.
6, 5, 4, 3,
Wala.
2. 14 minus 8. 15 seconds. 14,
Wala.
13, 12, 11,
7.
10.
Ay, 6.
Oh, it's 6. Oh, ibig sabihin dapat, ang ilalagay dito is 16. 16 all
Yeah,
over
16
32. Why did you put 32? Isa pa, I will give you 1 minute. Grabe na talaga ito. 1 minute na ang ibigay ng teacher. Yes, kung makaya mo lang. Okay ha? So this one, try natin. 3 all over 12 minus, try natin ang 15. Tapos,
You're happy.
1 minute. 9, 28, 27, 26,
12, 24,
24,
30, 30, 45, 45. Ah, ito na yan. 45. Alda.
56,
45.
44, 43, 42, 41, 43, 46,
30, 45, 60.
6,
I give up.
4, 3, 2. Sige, 12 times 15.
125.
Okay, you get 125.
Patakaran ko.
Di ba? 12 times 15, you put it in here. 12, 15. You multiply. 5 times 2.
10.
Oh, you put 0. You put 1. 5 times 1.
5.
5 plus 1.
6.
6.
Yeah,
Next, 1 times 2.
2.
So, where do you put 2? Under 6. Very good. 2. 1 times 1.
1.
1. Plus 0. 6 plus 2.
7. Ay,
8. Dapat 180.
see, I'm correct, oh.
180.
Oh,
Okay?
180.
Sige, I have a challenge for you. It's multiplication lang ha. No fraction. This one.
I knew it. Lord, tubangi ko, Lord.
30 seconds. 30.
Do I put the larger number? Ah, yan na. 43, 4 times 8. 4, 8 times 4, 8, 16, 20, 24. 8, 16, 24, 32. 3. 9 times 3. 20. 9, 18. 27. 27 plus 3. 28, 29, 30. Hey!
Finally, yan, 102.
Yeah.
Sige. So, you put 34 in here. You put 48 in here. 8 times 4.
12. Ay, 32.
32. You put 2. You put 3. 8 times 3. 8 times 3. Ay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 8 times 3. Nag-ibait ako sa dito sa isa niya dito sa kabalog, may moves. Sige, 8 times 3. 8 times 3.
I give up.
8 times 3.
I give up.
8 times 3.
I give up.
Anong i-give up ka dyan? 8 times 3.
Give up.
Hindi ka mag-give up. You can do it. 8 times 3.
Fatality.
8 times 3.
24.
No, plus 3.
26.
24 plus 3, 26.
26. 26.
It's not 26.
27.
27. Next, 4 times 4.
I give up.
4 times 4.
6, 18, 14, 5, 4. 4, 18, 12, 16.
It's
I don't know.
4 times 4.
4, 8, 12, 16.
16. You put 6 in here. You carry 1 in here. 4 times 3.
4, 8, 12,
Plus 1.
4, 13.
13. You put 13. You add it. 2. 7 plus 6.
I don't know.
7 plus 6.
7, 14, 21, 28.
Hindi. Multiply. Plus
10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
7 plus 6.
8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 13.
13. You carry 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1. That's 6. 1. Final answer. 1,632. Tama ka sa 3. Tama ka sa 2.
I'm correct.
Okay. Next. Multiplication pa din. Okay. Try natin kuya ang this one. I will give you 1 minute na ha. Para sure na masagutan mo na. 36 times 1 minute faster. Go. 59. 57. 56. 55. 54. 52. 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 59. 60. 61. 62. 63. 64. 65. 66. 67. 68. 69. 70. 71. 72. 73. 74. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79. 80. 81. 82. 83. 84. 85. 86. 87. 88. 89. 90. 91. 92. 93. 94. 95. 96. 97. 98. 99. 100. 101. 102. 103. 104. 105. 106. 107. 108. 109. 110. 111. 112. 113. 114. 115. 116. 117. 118. 119. 120. 121. 122. 123. 124. 125. 126. 127. 128. 129. 130. 131. 132. 133. 134. 135. 136. 137. 138. 139. 140. 141. 142. 143. 144. 145. 146. 147. 148. 149. 150. 151. 152. 153. 154. 155. 156. 157. 158
6, 8 bawal. 2, 16. 16 times 8. 6 times 8. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 4, 32, 40, 48. 84 times 3. 4, 8 times 3. 8, 16, 24. 25. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 40. 40. 7, 14, 31. 25.
Okay, what's your final answer?
2, 4, 2, 5, 4, 5, 4, 8.
This one. Okay, so we have, ano yung given kay teacher? 36 times 78. Yeah, we'll put 78 in here. 8 times 6, 48. Dapat 8 dito.
Yeah, 8 dito.
8, very good. You carry 4. 8 times 3
8 times 3. 8, 16, 24.
plus 4.
28.
You put 8 in here. Tapos 2. What happened to this one? Bakit 5? This one. Dapat 8 ito kuya. 8.
Yeah, that's 8 lang.
Okay, next. 7 times 6.
7 times 6. I did up.
7 times 6.
I don't know.
Uy, kaya mo yan. 7 times 6.
7, 14, 21, 28. 45, 42.
42. You put 2 in here. You carry 4. 7 times 3
7, 14, 21.
plus 4.
25.
25. Sayang mo, meron ka 25. 25. Add. 8 in here. 8 plus 2. That's 0. Carry 1. 8. Answer 2808. Saan answer mo? Ay, malapit na lang. Malapit na kuya. Malapit na. Congratulations. Okay, this one. Okay ha? I have in here 4 paper. Okay ha? I will have in here 4 paper. Each paper has a different minutes. So you are going to do the lottery. Parang lottery siya kuya. If you can get the 5 minutes, you will solve it for 5 minutes. Okay ha? I will put in here 5 minutes. Tapos, look at the choices. Kuya, look at the choices. Uy. Look at the choices. So in here, we have 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and if you are very swerte, you will get 5 minutes. So teacher will fold this one. Dapat di mo matandaan ha. Titingnan niya talaga itong 5 mo. Okay, I will put in here 5, 3 minutes. Then, we will have 2 minutes. And lastly, we will have 1 minute. Do not look up. Pag tingnan mo dito ko yung paper. Okay. So teacher will write na the problem ha. Tapos you will do it muna. Okay. Try natin ang go na. Go na. Susortehin ka, you will get 5 minutes. Open it. Tan tan tan. 3 minutes. Go. Pag matapos mo yan, we can end na.
Diba times?
Minus yan.
So times?
Times, go.
80.
Make sure na ma-reduce na kapag there is a reduction.
Minus, diba? $64. Wait lang.
Make sure to reduce. 1 minute left.
Reduce.
62 and 90. Can we reduce it? Hindi. By what number? Think.
2. 2 for 2. Pataka na lang ko.
1 minute left. You can do it. 1 minute pa. Matagal pa yan. So, if kaya mo yan.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 12, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 18, 20, 21, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 22, 24, 26, 27, 38, 28. Oh, diba wala na tayo?
Okay.
30, 32, 34, 46, 48, 52, 50, 52, 54, 56, 57.
Hindi ko kayo, Sige, final year, ano is your answer? 100, 102. Ito, tama ito, correct? Pero kung ipa-reduce ko yan, di ba you already notice that this is divisible by 2. Sana you put it in here, 62 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. 3. 3 times 2. 6. You put 6 in here. Minus. 6 minus 6, 0. You bring down 2. 2 divided by 2.
2, 4,
2 divided by 2.
1.
1 times 2. 2. O, ibig sabihin, 31 at the top. Next. 90 divided by 2. 9 divided by 2 kuya. Sige na, 9 divided by 2.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 4.
4. 4 times 2.
2.
4 times 2 times 8. Okay, 9 minus 8. 1. Bring down 0. 10 divided by 2.
5.
5. 5 times 2, that's 10. 10 minus 10, 45. So 31 all over 45 ang answer. Okay, I will give you a big favor ha. This is 10 minutes na. Okay, 10 minutes na ha. Ito, madali lang ito. Dapat you can reduce this one. Oh. Wait lang. Tama ka. Sige na. This is easy lang. Sige na. 10 minutes na kayo. Matapos na tayo. Right after this one, we can finish na. I will give you 10 minutes. Oh, look at the time. Wait lang, eh. Oh, look at the time, oh. I will give you up until, 3:33. Oh, 23. Go. Okay, tama. Next. Next. Oh, 35 minus 32. 6? Sure? Ayusin mo, malayo pa, oh. May ano ka pang 5 minutes. Sige na, 35 minus 32. Ayusin mo, it's not 67. 35 minus 32? Oh, may 5 minutes ka pa. 35 minus 32. Show your subson. Para mabilis. Yung nakuha mo man din. You sold it for less than 3 minutes? Oh, sino ko na? Yeah. you lost all of your energy? Bye-bye. Bye. Hoy, dapat you stand up. Hindi you stand up.